Good morning, you guys, and welcome to another video. We're going to be reviewing a new cleaning product today. Finally getting back into the cleaning things. It's warming up, so I figured why not kind of get back to my normal routine of cleaning the car at least every other week. So I wanted to kind of make it a little bit easier, also prevent swirls, because we will be re-ceramic coating this car. I did it 2 years ago, basically right when I bought it, and it was kind of hasty just to get the coating on there. So we'll definitely be doing kind of a full rehaul of coating. I have a new coating I'm going to try out, so definitely stay tuned for that. But for today's video, we're just going to do a regular kind of maintenance wash, but I will be reviewing a new product, and I'll show you guys the product now. And here it is. This is the Chemical Guys kind of foam cannon. The nice thing about this product, and as you guys know, I mean, I just moved in this house and I don't have too many things, and that includes a pressure washer. I don't have a pressure washer, so I'm left with just a hose. That's not a huge concern though, because with this product, it allows you to just use a hose and pretty much foam up your car. I've used this before, once before, and I really enjoyed it the first time I used it, so pretty excited to see how it will clean up this absolutely filthy Golf R. Definitely, we won't be kind of reviewing its effectiveness of cleaning at this point, just given the fact that, obviously being a foam cannon, we'll just be reviewing essentially the spread of foam and just talking about how this can certainly improve your washes and yeah, but as you guys can see, this thing is kind of dirty. Certainly could use a little paint correction and a little touch-up paint as well while we're at it. But yeah, I'm pretty excited to get this thing looking clean again. We have a beautiful day. As you guys can see, the sun is roaring today. It's pretty warm already, and I'm really happy to kind of finally be in the warmer weather. But yeah, so I think it's time to kind of get all prepared. We'll soap up the foam cannon, and I guess is that the right way of calling it? Is it correct to call it a foam cannon? I don't know. We'll certainly have to let's see what the comments have to say about that. All right, so our soap of choice is going to be Meguiar's Gold Class. I'm pretty sure you can get away with any soap. This is pretty foamy stuff, so that's why I'll be using it today. And they do kind of include a fill level as well, which is kind of cool. I've actually I filled it below it the first time I used it and had no issue. I had a bunch of foam. Of course, if you do fill to that level, it's going to use a lot of soap, and you will find yourself needing to buy a lot of these, and I don't know, but you really only need to fill it, at least from the first time that I used it, around like 3/4 of the way. But if you want more, and I guess for today's video we might fill it all the way, but you can certainly fill it as much as you want. At that point it may be wasting it, but yeah, so we'll get this thing all filled up, and yeah, we'll make some foam happen. Alright, so now we got this thing filled up. I actually did, as you guys could see, I added a little bit more just to, I guess put on a show for you guys, but also it's pretty much where it should be as far as where, the level is. I think I added a little bit more than I added last time, but yeah, it should definitely should have some pretty good results. So I think it's time to get this thing set up, and I'll pretty much kind of get right into foaming up the car. Nice, we're getting some beeping. Hopefully that's not ruining the video, of course. But anyway, so 5, I like 5. 5 is a big number. It's the highest number, I think, on this spin wheel. So we're rocking 5. And of course, has adjustable spread, so you can twist this, and that'll adjust how much, I guess, kind of what type of spread you're getting. If more of a fan or more of a wave, or more of kind of like a steady stream. So pretty cool. And I think that's really about it as far as, I think this is also twistable, as you guys can see right here, but I have no idea what that does. Again, not the best review, but you guys get a good idea. I mean, we'll just be using it. It's kind of more of just a show, less talk, but anyway, we'll get this thing going, and can't wait to show you guys the results. Nice. Got it, cool. All right, and I guess we'll kind of start from the front and work our way to the back. This hose is not loving me right now, but all right, here we go. As you guys can see, pretty decent for just being a hose, hose, I guess, attached. Oh goodness, this is spraying so bad, but I mean, not too bad for the type of foam cannon that it is. You can see the spread is pretty good. Obviously, it's not going to be a thick, foamy, it's certainly not going to be anything like that, but you know, it's pretty close and very comparable, so. All right, and as you guys can see, the car at least had, some form of soap on it. It certainly didn't do the best clean, that could be the soap itself, but coverage-wise, it's okay. It's a pretty decent, avenue if you guys don't have a pressure washer, but, anything to kind of get soap on the car, it is sort of like a pre-rinse. I mean, it's definitely a safe avenue to go if you don't have a pressure washer. But yeah, overall, not too bad. I can't imagine what this thing would be, how it would perform, of course, with a more aggressive soap. But, for the most part, it's not too bad. I mean, it's at least, something that's going to get the heavy and the stuff that's really going to cause the most problems to the paint, the heavier grime and dirt. But it's also good as far as, if you do live in a winter climate and you're just trying to just do sort of that spring clean to get any kind of salt contaminants, it's really good at kind of getting where kind of, the washment won't go, and that is in the wheel well, under the car. I've already done under the car in my initial first time using this, but, anything to just get soap on the car, it's a really, really decent tool to use. So obviously, the preferred thing would be a real foam cannon with a pressure washer, but I'm pretty happy with the results. I certainly think I could have used a lot more soap, and that might have been holding me back. Also with the leak in the hose, that's also going to cause an issue with overall coverage, but yeah, not too bad. And yeah, as you guys can see, pretty decent results. So I think it's time to get this thing all rinsed off, and we'll probably do a quick 2-bucket wash method to just kind of wash off everything else, and I think we'll call it good. All right, hey guys, what's going on? This is Editing Pete talking to you. I realized I did not film a concluding part to the video, so this is me concluding the video. I recommend getting this product if you don't want to buy a pressure washer ever. That's $50 on this, and pretty good build quality. Obviously, it's a great way to get soap on the car. Create that kind of pre-lubrication before you go to town on contact washing. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. So, for anyone who is kind of on the fence about it, certainly recommend it. I know I've always been really only a fan of ones that connect to the pressure washer, and even those don't clean the car. This one won't clean the car, those ones won't clean the car. It's just a really good pre-wash. So, you know, that's just for whoever's kind of freaky about their paint. I'll leave it there. I do appreciate you guys, you know, watching, supporting me. Don't forget to check out DasDriven.com. We'll definitely have some really cool, exciting merch coming out soon, and I'm really excited for that. But we'll keep it there. But I do appreciate you guys for watching and supporting me, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace and love.